does it feel to be Gap?
Now that, my friends, is what you call Gap City.
It's not fair when I'm not on E85.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm on gas.
You're on gas?
I'm on gas. I'm on pump.
She's pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, what the hell?
Isn't it weird that this hunk of shit is like fast?
Yeah, it is weird, and it's not a hunk of shit.
Well, it was.
Yeah.
That thing hauls dick. What did this man's bend a control arm or something? Shit looks fucking salvage titled. What's up, Beater?
Completely salvage.
How's life today?
Life is pretty tiring. That's the quick way to put it.
That looks good.
We're putting our air on it so we can tow all the cars.
Give me a tour of what you got going on today, brother.
Last night we were late here working on a build, stock motor build. I think a lot of you like this car. Type RA, 100% original.
You're
Copyrighted.
You're a gangster.
I know.
All right, give me a rundown real quick.
So, like I said, 100% original motor. You can see our paint marks, shows it. Yep, that right there. Those little babies right there say this motor came in this car, or a OEM car. But stock motor, 6870, ranch built us a turbo kit to fit with the AMS. There's not an off-the-shelf kit out there. Dual Walbro 450s, ID 2600, ETS header, 5-inch intercooler, everything to make 900 wheel. So
it's going on the dyno right now, or pretty soon, huh?
Pretty soon, about an hour, and then we're gonna turn her all the way up.
For you making 900?
I'd like to see over 800 out of it on the dyno, and then we'll turn it up more at the track.
That's insane.
You're gonna leave me hanging.
I almost left you hanging.
You ready to turn my car up after I gapped her?
He did gap me.
I gapped her like
I
5
have a
times.
freaking pump gas. So.
Ooh,
Yeah.
you had to do her like that?
I did.
Come on, go pump versus pump.
Yeah, we'll do pump versus pump.
You little blouse.
So we have about an hour and a half before that 6870 car goes on the dyno for Bader to tune. So in the meantime, we're gonna throw sus back on the dyno. Like I said, it's on 22 pounds right now, but being that it's fixed, we can probably turn it up to hopefully around 28 to 30 pounds is the end goal, and it should make like 550 wheel. That's the goal.
There we go. You think you're a tuner now?
Why the fuck we don't go down? I gotta figure out how to use the damn thing. Did it look good?
Didn't really make that much over the 22 psi, but
Yeah. That's about all she's got, huh?
oh, it's 100% wastegate duty, and it was spot on fuel.
Perfect?
Perfect.
All right. Put it in that one drive thing. I want to fucking rip it real quick. All right. So we just turned up the boost. It hit 27 pounds, it looked like. And that was all she had. It made 532, which is plenty.
Turbo? Yep. It's like 27.9 is what that saw, so probably the ECU is like 25, 26 pounds like you saw.
Okay. But it didn't break up at all. It was perfect.
It was perfect.
Fuck yeah. What do you think? 12 horsepower? That made 530 on all the boost. We just turned it all the way up.
That's pretty good for a little small turbo, 532.
Would you say 90% wastegate duty?
95. I bumped it up another 5%. That's all they let us go in the ECU.
All right, well.
So that's all she's got. If you want a little more, we could take the filter off and put her out the hood.
Should I just take the whole intake off? Well,
Well, we need it.
Yeah.
But we take the filter off and just rotate the intake out the hood.
No, it's fine. 530 is fine.
All right.
I say we race right now.
It probably has quite a bit more torque now.
All right, yeah, it probably does.
Told you she'd be spot on.
That was spot on.
Just crank her, turn her up, boom, done.
It's crazy what a cracked spark plug will do.
I know, right? All right.
O'Reilly Special's working out.
Fuck yeah. All right, let's go get Morford's car done. And then Remy's car done.
You ready for motherfucking street digs?
I'd rather do a street dig than a track dig because my shit fucking will break on the track.
You struggling there?
Yeah. It just takes
Holy shit.
Strong boy. I can see the comments now. Doesn't know how to use a strap.
You do it so fast.
You just flip it up.
Oh, dude, I've never
See?
known that in 1,000
It'll
times.
change your life.
Fucking car.
All right, we'll get this thing off.
Yeah, it's an injected steroid fucking carrot.
All right, you ready for this?
I'll do it. Are you ready to feel the most power of your life right now?
Bro, this thing's a ripper.
Dude, total ripper.
Little geezer. Is that a ripper?
Dude, that's a ripper. Third gear, we're
I know.
sideways. That torque.
She's a fucking ripper.
Dude, that thing moves. That's impressive. It's pretty fast.
It's fast, dude.
Dude, this thing rips.
It's crazy because this thing's it was such a pile of shit. Now it's like, it's so fucking fast now.
You can hear the turbo just screaming for
Yeah.
your life over there.
Yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. It's completely maxed, like 100%.
100% max. Right now we have the wastegate table all the way turned up, so whatever it makes, it makes. It's literally like us pulling the wastegate line.
Yeah.
But we have quicker spool having a boost controller on it then. We got a wastegate line. But this thing freaking rips. Do you want my tack on water pull when we go back?
You want to drive?
No, we already know what happens. Every time I drive, I break it. They already know.
Yeah.
So I'm not breaking it this time.
This is a built motor though, you ain't gonna break shit.
I might break an axle.
Yeah, true. You did do that on the FRS real quick. Uh-oh. They're like, what the fuck? What's this little hatchback, dude?
You gotta love the wastegate. Gotta love the wastegate noise.
Yeah.
And the verbal pops.
The turbo sounds definitely like it's working a little harder now than it was before.
Yeah.
It's just screaming.
You can hear the whistle over.
Yeah.
That gives you that extra engine noise.
No, that's fun.
Dude, this thing's pretty fast for what it is. Now wait till the hot guy. Oh, that's the one we're waiting.
1,000 wheel minimum.
I'm ready for the street pull on that thing.
Yeah, that'll be crazy.
We both will die.
These cars are easy to drive at
Yeah.
500, but 1,000, just, I don't know. You gotta
feel
be
the-
so fast with shifting.
You feel the torque band in this thing too. Just hold. Little lazy turbo.
Definitely a ripper on the street. Super fun car, 530 wheel, fully maxed out. We're gonna leave her there. Pretty aggressive timing map on it now as well. So she should live because it's a built motor. I have yet to let you guys know, but we're actually headed out to Import Face Off today over in Seattle. We're bringing Bobby's STI. We're driving Bobby's car out there, and there's like 10 other BBR Subies going out there as well. So this thing's gonna be driven out there, and hopefully you don't blow up out there because we're supposed to drive it back. Bobby, are you driving it?
On the track?
Yes.
No, I'm not. I told you I would if I got a little bit more practice.
If there's a ton of time where she can drive it on the track, then I'm gonna convince her to. We got that car going. This car's going. I don't know if the white STI is going. That's a FP green car that makes like 5 something. This car is going, that makes 800. And then we have a few other cars going as well. That clunker's not. I don't think that is. This car over here on air ride's going, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on this one right now. It's got a brand new motor in it with a 6870, and it's got an oil leak. But Remy, where you at? You're not here, so I'm gonna work on your car for you. And then you guys saw the Type RA in there is also going. And probably some other ones as well. Let's try to figure out what's going on with this thing. I know he burnt an airline last night on the downpipe for his air ride, so I need to fix that. And then he has an oil leak. Oh, there the kid is.
Let's get this bitch running.
Yes, sir. All right, so we got burnt airline and one oil leak, and that's it.
I hope
Shit.
these work. So I have a couple ideas. Either we replace the hard line
Yeah.
on the module, or I bought 2 fittings.
Just splice
we
it.
can cut it here,
Yeah.
put a fitting here, and then run it there. Might be easier than trying to dig.
Yeah. Where's that oil leak at?
Don't know. I couldn't see last night.
Is it good to start? head gasket?
Yep.
Yeah, I agree. Are you ready for a little taste of real Subaru horsepower? You are?
Yep.
Oh, that's traction control. Always do that. See, it's so much different than your car. Your car doesn't give a shit.
Wow. Damn. She's a ripper.
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
I can appreciate it. Babe, your shifting is so good. Okay.
I guess we will just flash this, which will clear that coat.
Quick update, Remy's car, that car we were working on earlier, has a head gasket leak. It's just spewing oil out the head gasket. Now this Type A with the 6870 on it. Got tuned up pump gas, hit like 500 on pump gas. Now Vader's sending it to the moon on E85. And it should make like 800. So the car just made 800. The current record is 829 off stock motor with the same turbo. I think stock motor in general record is 829. So Vader's gonna go to like 38 pounds. He's trying to get the record, but also not trying to blow it up on the dyno.
You ready? My heart is racing.
Let's see what that made. Was that 38 pounds? Wow, so close.
I'm done there.
You're done?
I want the number, trust me, but I want to go racing more.
Yeah.
Then that was 38 pounds. Stock engine.
So close. 819.
And we're at 90% injector duty cycle, so we're ending it there.
Yeah.
819 boys, stock motor.
Let's go race.
Yeah.
Good job, bro. Proud of you.
Nervous, man.
Yeah.
This is more power on a stock motor than I've ever made on this dyno on my fully built everything to the tilt Hyper Blue of a 6870. Fuck yeah.
You're rowdy.
Can we turn Bob's car up now?
That ain't nothing.
Oh, we're fucking...
You ready for this track day? Long day, huh? No talk? Tell them.
Okay, well, let's backtrack a little bit. Devin said we were leaving by noon. That's what you said, honey. And then we got here around noon, and it is now 10 p.m.
Not bad. And we still have to drive all the way to Seattle, which is about a 4.5 to 5 hour drive. And I haven't let you guys know this. We're driving Bobby's car, and then hopefully driving it back. This is the goal. Hopefully you don't blow up.
Oh.
Stay tuned for tomorrow.